Blue Star High Secondary School video classes for 10th standard mathematics. Happy morning students. Today we are going to see exercise 5.1 continuation problem number 8. Let P of 11, 7, Q of 13.5, 4 and R of 9.5, 4 be the midpoints of the sides AB, BC and AC respectively of a triangle ABC. Find the coordinates of the vertices A, B and C. Hence find the area of a triangle ABC and compare this with area of a triangle PQR, which belongs to the page number 212. So solution: in a triangle ABC, given that PQR are the midpoints of AB, BC and CA respectively. These are the 3 points is given in the question. P of 11, 7, Q of 13.5, 4 and R of 9.5, 4. But we doesn't know the vertices of A, B and C. So let us consider A of x1, y1, B of x2, y2, C of x3, y3 be the vertices. So if ABC is the triangle and PQR is the midpoint of, P is the midpoint of AB, Q is the midpoint of BC and R is the midpoint of AC. So by using the midpoint formula, we are going to find the vertices of A, B and C. By using midpoint formula, first we are taking the line APB. So A and B are the vertices and P is the midpoint of AB. We know the point of B, but we doesn't know the point of A and B. So A of x1, y1, B of x2, y2 and P of 11, 7. So x1 plus x2 by 2 is equal to 11. We are just equating the x coordinate. Then x1 plus x2 by 2 is equal to 11. Then y1 plus y2 by 2 is equal to 7. Using the midpoint formula. The next step is you have to cross multiply it. So x1 plus x2 is equal to 2 into 11 is 22. y1 plus y2 is equal to 2 into 7 is 14. So this is your equation number 1. Similarly, we are going to find for BQC. So B is x2, y2 and C is x3, y3 and Q is 13.5, 4. So by using the midpoint formula, x2 plus x3 divided by 2 is equal to 13.5 is nothing but 27 by 2. Similarly, y2 plus y3 by 2 is equal to 4. Next step is 2 gets cancelled, means you get x2 plus x3 is equal to 27. Here you go for cross multiplication. So y2 plus y3 is equal to 4 2s are 8. This is your equation number 2. For ARC, A of x1, y1, C of x3, y3 and R of 9.5, 4. So x1 plus x3 by 2 is equal to 9.5 is nothing but 19 by 2. So 2 gets cancelled, x1 plus x3 is equal to 19. Similarly, y1 plus y3 by 2 is equal to 4. y1 plus y3 is equal to 8. This is your equation number 3. So adding 1, 2 and 3, we get 2 times of x1, because here you have x1 plus x2 is equal to 22, x2 plus x3 is equal to 27, x1 plus x3 is equal to 19. So 2 times of x1 plus x2 plus x3 is equal to 22 plus 27 plus 19 is equal to 68. So x1 plus x2 plus x3 is equal to 68 divided by 2 is 34. This is equation number 4. Similarly, you have y coordinates. So y1 plus y2 is equal to 14, y2 plus y3 is equal to 8, y1 plus y3 is equal to 8. So you will get 2 times of y1 plus y2 plus y3 is equal to 30. So y1 plus y2 plus y3 is equal to 15. This is equation number 5. So by using equation 4 and 5, substitute equation 1 in equation 4 and 5. This is equation number 4, x1 plus x2 plus x3 is equal to 34 and equation number 5 is y1 plus y2 plus y3 is equal to 15. So equation number 1, x1 plus x2 is equal to 22. So instead of x1 plus x2 we are substituting 22, y1 plus y2 we are substituting 14. So x3 is equal to 34 minus 22. So x3 value is 12. Similarly 14 plus y3 is equal to 15. So y3 is equal to 15 minus 14. The value of y3 is 1. Therefore the C coordinate is nothing but x3 comma y3. So C is 12 comma 1. Similarly we are substituting equation 3 in equation 4 and 5. You get the B coordinate. So this is equation number 4. x1 plus x2 plus x3 is equal to 34. y1 plus y2 plus y3 is equal to 15. So x1 plus x3 is 19. So x2 plus 19 is equal to 34. x2 is equal to 34 minus 19 is 15. Similarly y1 plus y3 value is 8. So y2 plus 8 is equal to 15. y2 is equal to 15 minus 8 is 7. So B coordinate is x2 comma y2, which is nothing but 15 comma 7. So substitute x2 and y2 value in equation 1. So equation 1 implies x1 plus x2 is equal to 22, y1 plus y2 is equal to 14. We already found the value of x2. x2 is 15. So substitute x2 value here. You get x1 plus 15 is equal to 22. x1 is equal to 22 minus 15. So x1 value is 7. Similarly y2 value is 7. So y1 plus 7 is equal to 14. y1 is equal to 14 minus 7 is 7. So the A coordinate is 7 comma 7. Now you find the coordinate of A, B and C. From the question, now we find the coordinates of the vertices A, B, C and hence find the area of a triangle ABC. Now we are going to find the area of a triangle ABC and also area of a triangle PQR, and we have to compare these two. Area of a triangle ABC is equal to 1 by 2 into x1 y1 value, x2 y2, x3 y3, then again x1 y1 value, which is equal to 1 by 2 into 7 sevens are 49 plus 15 into 1 is 15 plus 12 into 7 is 84 minus 7 into 15 is 105 plus 7 into 12. 7 into 12 is 84 plus 1 into 7 is 7, which is equal to 1 by 2 into 49 plus 15 plus 84 is 148 minus 105 plus 84 plus 7 is 196, which is equal to 1 by 2 of 148 minus 196. So bigger sign is negative, minus 48, which is equal to minus 24. But area can't be negative. So definitely you get the area value is positive. Therefore area of a triangle ABC is equal to 24 square units. Similarly we are going to find area of a triangle PQR. So area of a triangle PQR, which is equal to 1 by 2 into the coordinates are 11, 7, 27 by 2, 4, 19 by 2, 4, again 11 by 7. So 27 by 2 is nothing but 13.5 and 19 by 2 is nothing but 9.5. So the next step is we are going to multiply. So 11 into 4, 27 by 2 into 4, 19 by 2 into 7, which is equal to 1 by 2 into 11 into 44 is 44 plus 27 by 2 into 4. So 27 divided by 2 into 4, 4 gets cancelled, remaining 2. So 27 into 2 is 54 plus 19 by 2 into 7 is nothing but 66.5 minus now 7 into 27 by 2, 4 into 19 by 2, 4 into 11. So 7 into 27 by 2 is nothing but 94.5 plus 4 into 19 by 2 is 38 plus 4 into 11 is 44, which is equal to 1 by 2 into 44 plus 54 plus 66.5, which is nothing but 164.5 minus 94.5 plus 38 plus 44 is minus 176.5, which is equal to, if you subtract this 2 means you get 1 by 2 of bigger sign is negative minus 12. So similarly area won't be negative. So 12 divided by 2 is nothing but 6, because area won't be negative. So 6. Area of triangle PQR is equal to 6 square units. Therefore area of a triangle ABC is equal to 4 times of area of a triangle PQR, because area of a triangle ABC value is 24 is equal to area of a triangle PQR is equal to 6, which is 4 times of area of a triangle ABC. Problem number 9. In the figure, the quadrilateral swimming pool showing is surrounded by concrete patio. Find the area of the patio, which is in page number 212. For example, this will be a swimming pool and you have to find the area of the patio. That is nothing but walking path. So solution, required area of the patio is equal to area of the portion ABCD. You have to find area of ABCD, the whole thing, minus area of the portion EFGH. So you get the remaining area of this part. So which is equal to 1 by 2 into x1 y1 value is minus 4 minus 8, because this is your x1 y1. Then this is x2 y2, 8 minus 4, and c is x3 y3, that is 6 10, and x4 y4 is minus 10 6. So minus 10 6, again minus 4 minus 8. Similarly minus 1 by 2 into EFGH. So E coordinate is minus 3 minus 5 and F coordinate is 6 minus 2. Then G coordinate is 3 7. H is minus 6 4. Again minus 3 minus 5. The next step is you have to do the multiplication, which is equal to 1 by 2 into minus 4 into minus 4. So minus into minus plus 4 4s are 16. Then 8 into 10 is plus 80. 6 6 are 36. Minus 10 into minus 8 is plus 80. Minus 8 into 8 is minus 64. Minus 4 into 6 is minus 24. 10 into minus 10 is minus 100. 6 into minus 4 is minus 24. Minus 1 by 2 into minus 3 into minus 2 is 6. Minus into minus plus 3 2s are 6. 6 7s are 42. So plus 42. 3 into 4 is 12 plus 12. Minus into minus plus 6 5s are 30. Minus 5 into 6 is minus 30. Minus 2 into 3 is minus 6. 7 into minus 6 is minus 42. 4 into minus 3 is minus 12. Which is equal to 1 by 2 into 16 plus 80 plus 36 plus 80 is 212 minus of 64, 24, 100, 24 is again 212 minus 1 by 2 into 6 plus 42 plus 12 plus 30 is 90 minus of minus 30 plus 6 plus 42 plus 12 is 90, which is equal to 1 by 2 into 212 plus 212 minus 1 by 2 into 90 plus 90, which is equal to 1 by 2 into 212 plus 212 is 424 minus 1 by 2 into 90 plus 90 is 180, which is equal to 1 by 2 into 424 is nothing but again 212 minus 180 by 2 is 90 is equal to 122. Therefore, required area of the patio is equal to 122 square units. Problem number 10. This is your homework problem. A triangular shaped glass with vertices at A of minus 5, minus 4, B of 1, 6 and C of 7, minus 4 has to be painted. If one bucket of paint covers 6 square feet, how many buckets of paint will be required to paint the whole glass if only one coat of paint is applied? So the problem belongs to the page number 212. So solution, you have to find the area of a triangle ABC is equal to 1 by 2 into, this is A coordinate, B coordinate, C coordinate, again A coordinate. You have to do a normal multiplication. You get the answer. Area of a triangle is equal to 60 square units, and you also find number of paint can be needed is equal to 60 by 6, because 1 square feet you have to need 6, so which is equal to 10. You have to need a 10 bucket of paint. Exercise 5.1, problem number 11. In the figure, find the area of a triangle AGF, triangle FED and quadrilateral BCEG. So this is the given figure. You have to first find the area of a triangle of AGF. This is AGF. So you have to find this area of a triangle. Then triangle FED. So this is the triangle FED. So you have to find the area of a triangle AGF first. Similarly, you have to find the area of a triangle FED. Then at last you have to find the quadrilateral of BCEG. If you find this means you get the area. Solution, first you have to find the area of a triangle AGF, which is equal to 1 by 2 into minus 5, 3, minus 9 by 2, 1 by 2, minus 2, 3, minus 5, 3, which is equal to 1 by 2 into minus 5 into 1 by 2 is minus 2.5, minus 9 by 2 into 3 is minus 13.5. This is simple calculation, that's why I am skipping it. Minus 2 into 3 is minus 6. Minus of 3 into minus 9 by 2 is again minus 13.5. 1 by 2 into minus 2 is minus 1. 3 into minus 5 is minus 15, which is equal to 1 by 2 into minus 2.5 minus 13.5 minus 6 is minus 22. Minus of minus 13.5 minus 1 minus 15 is minus 29.5, which is equal to 1 by 2 into minus 22 minus into minus plus 29.5, which is equal to 1 by 2 into 7.5. So 1 by 2 into 7.5 is nothing but 3.75 square units. This is your area of a triangle AGF. Second subdivision, area of a triangle FED, which is equal to 1 by 2 into the coordinates are minus 2, 3, 3 by 2, 1, 1, 3, minus 2, 3, which is equal to 1 by 2 into minus 2 into 1 is minus 2 plus 3 by 2 into 3 is 4.5 plus 1 into 3 is 3 minus 3 into 3 by 2, 4.5 plus 1 into 1 is 1, 3 into minus 2 is minus 6, which is equal to 1 by 2 into minus 2 plus 3 is 1, 1 plus 4.5 is 5.5 minus 4.5 plus 1 is 5.5 minus 6 is minus 0.5, which is equal to 1 by 2 into 5.5 plus 0.5, which is nothing but 1 by 2 into 6 is equal to 3 square units. Area of a quadrilateral BCEG is equal to 1 by 2 into minus 4 minus 2, 2 minus 1, 3 by 2, 1, minus 9 by 2, 1 by 2, minus 4, minus 2, which is equal to 1 by 2 into minus 4 into minus 1 is 4, 2 into 1 is 2, plus 3 by 2 into 1 by 2 is 0.75, plus minus 9 by 2 into minus 2 is 9, minus 2 into 2 is minus 4, minus 1 into 3 by 2 is minus 1.5, 1 into minus 9 by 2 is minus 4.5, 1 by 2 into minus 4 is minus 2, which is equal to 1 by 2 into 4 plus 2 plus 9 plus 0.75 is 15.75, minus into minus plus 4, 1.5, 4.5, 2 is 12, which is equal to, if you add this 2 means you get 15 plus 12 is 27. So 27.75 divided by 2 is nothing but 13.875, which is equal to 13.88. We just round off the number. So area of a quadrilateral BCEG is equal to 13.88 square units. So up to this exercise 5.1 is over. Thank you students. We just meet on the next video, exercise 5.2.